Another video. Today we're going to do water drop challenge as our first video Minecraft Pocket Edition. Oh, that was amazing. Let me do it again. The video couldn't be that fast, I think. What's wrong? What's the block here? Just climb here. Let me just pause it, guys, and then when I'm up, I'll tell you. So guys, I'm back. Let's continue with the water drop challenge. Should we do it like 3 in a row, or how much? Wish it's very hard though. So that's 2 in a row. Let me pause it again so I can go. So guys, I'm back again, and I think I'm gonna do it like this time. If I die, a video. If I don't die, I'll do another time. Okay, so guys, unfortunately this is the end of the video. Sorry it's very short, but see you next episode. Bye.